Hi friends, this is Narayana from Narayan Tech House, Python Training, Internships and Placement Center. So welcome to Python Advanced and Tricky Questions Programming Series. So in this series, we will discuss some tricky questions and advanced programs with a step-by-step explanation. So before going to first program, please subscribe our channel Narayan Tech House, like our videos and share to all our friends also. We'll see the first program now. One list is there. The list contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And for I in LST dot remove of I, then finally printing the list. So in this one, let us see what is the output and how it executes. So generally we know the for loop is used to take the value one by one based on the index numbers. That is starting from 0 onwards, right? So and it performs the iterations. Now let's see first iteration. In first iteration, what is the list? The list is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first time I value what here? The first time I value is index 0 value. What is index 0 value? 2 will come. Index 0, right? First time I is index 0. That is what is the number here? The element is 2. Index 0, that is 2. Means now list dot remove of I. Means that I will remove now. That I will remove, and the remaining list is the 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is the remaining list. Okay, next time second iteration. Now in the second iteration, what is the list, remaining list here? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is the list for second iteration. So in this list again, index numbers are which one here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And second time I value is the index number 1 value. Already 0 value over, right? Already index 0 value over. Now I value will be index 1 value. Index 1 value what here? 6. Now I value 6. First time 2 is over. Now how much taking now? Index number 1 value. What is 1 value? 6. Now what does it do? Remove of I. Remove of I means what here? 6. Remove of 6. From where? From the list. Now finally the 6 will remove and the remaining list is 4 and 8, 12, 10, 12 and 14. This is the remaining list. Okay. Next time for third iteration, this is the list, right? So 4, 8, 10, 12, 14. And here again index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? In third iteration, I value is index number 2 value. Already index number 0 over. Index number 1 over. Now I value is index number 2 value. Index number 2. Index number 2 what is there? 10 is there. Now I value is 10. Right? That I value will remove from the list. Means the 10 remove from the list. 10 remove from the list. If 10 remove from the list, the remaining list is what here? 4, 8, 12 and 14. This is the remaining list. Right? Now let's go with the index number fourth iteration here. Let's go with the fourth iteration. In fourth iteration, what is the remaining list here? That is 4, 8, 12, 14. Right? And in the fourth iteration, the I value is what here? Index number 3 value. Already index 0, 2 over. Index 1, 6 over. Index 2, which one? 10 over. Now I value is what? Index 3 value. I value index 3. Or index 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. So what index 3 here? 14. Means now 14. I value 14 now. I value 14. Now 14 remove from the list. 14 remove from the list. Okay. Then what is the remaining list now? Remaining list is 4, 8, 12. This is the remaining list. Okay. And now fourth iteration is over. For fifth iteration, what is the remaining list here? 4, 8, 12. Index numbers are 0, 1, just 2 is there. In fourth iteration, the I value is index 4. Index 4, right? Index 4. But here index 4 is not there. Index 4 is not there. That's why for I value, now no value will come now. No value will come, and this is the final list. This is the remaining list. Okay. When you use printf LST, result is 4, 8, 12. This is the result of this program. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel RI Tech House, like our videos, and please share to your friends also. Thank you so much. Bye.